Morning guys, it's October 25th, 2023. This one here I got a call from an older lady. She's got a problem with a programmable thermostat. She says she wants to know if I can go by there and reprogram it for her. And after further talking to her, I found out that the other guy was trying to really, you know, gouge her on the price for a new thermostat. So I'm gonna go over there and swap it out for her and put a regular, you know, a regular Honeywell thermostat in there, non-programmable, something basic for her. She don't have to worry about programming it. She can either go up or down with it, you know, heating or cooling, and something basic. Some of these programmable thermostats, I'm not a big fan of them. There's a lot of bells and whistles on there you don't probably need. Especially if you're older, you know, you're an elderly person, you don't want to have to deal with all that stuff. But anyway, that's the story. I'm going to go over there and from what she said, that thermostat was a programmable one and it needed to be reprogrammed, and the other guy was trying to sell us some fancy thermostat that she wasn't, you know, she didn't want. A lot of these guys are just salesmen. They're just going to sell you whatever they can to make some money off you. All right, so you just want to change this. It's not working right, and you don't like the programmable. So we're just going to put a non-programmable one in there.
That's fine.
That would be the best thing. You know, yeah. You don't need it. You don't need it.
No.
Heating or cooling up or down, and that's it. Keep it simple, right?
Because that's all I used on this until it.
Yeah, that's
gave me a hard time this week.
Yeah, Robert Shaw. Unless there's something going on with the heating system, it's possible, right? I mean, we'll figure it out.
He put two pieces on. I couldn't get anybody to come here. The one that put it in, they moved.
Really?
Design temp.
Okay, so white is heat. White's heat. Cooling is blue. Fan is green, and then the red is the feed. Pretty simple. I didn't wake you up, did I?
Excuse me?
I didn't wake you up, did I?
No, I've been up and down all night with them. Trying, asking to go out, and they didn't make it, so they would dribble on the floor.
Oh my God.
So I've been washing floors, and then I'd lay down again, and they'd start again. Yeah.
Poor things, huh? I mean, you get so attached to the dogs. It's like part of your family, right?
One is almost 15 and one's 14.
Yeah, so I know my little dog's kind of like family.
Yeah, you love them. You can't help it. Mm. The black one is looking, the Chihuahua. She's looking out here, but she's a baka.
She's a baka?
Oh, I'm surprised she's not barking at you. I put her in a cage so that...
Where is she?
In the cage.
Oh, yeah, I see her.
I put her in there because she's...
How heavy is she?
Messing. She's 14.
14 pounds?
Yeah.
Oh, she's pretty big then.
She was supposed to be 6.
My little one's, I just had her weighed. She's 5 pounds, 6 ounces. Well, last year she was a little heavy. She was like 6.5 pounds, but she don't eat much.
Right.
She wants my food, whatever I eat. Say if I have like steak and ham or chicken, I gotta give her some of the meat.
Yeah, my Shih Tzu is like that, but I
mean, it's my fault because I kind of spoiled the dog, but you know the vet says whatever you're doing, continue because she got a beautiful coat and she's healthy, and says whatever you're doing, just continue it. So that's what I do.
Well, I sent away to Oklahoma for her.
You what?
Sent for her from Oklahoma.
Oh, okay. Yeah, so she's a rescue dog.
No, she's a thoroughbred. It was on the computer that I found her.
Okay.
It's a place in Oklahoma, but anyway, they said she'd be 6 pounds. Surprise!
Yeah, well, maybe she must be a mix then, because Chihuahuas are 5-6 pounds. If they're any heavier than that, they got a little mix to them.
Well, she
you know?
must, because she's not 6 pounds.
No.
And that's what I wanted.
I got yellow. Yeah, so mine's a long hair Chihuahua. They're
Right.
kind of, every so often, there's yellow right there. Every so often they'll pop out as a long hair. They're, it's in the gene pool, like, you know?
Oh.
So, 2 short hair Chihuahuas can produce a long hair Chihuahua. It's
Really?
like blue eyes. Not everybody's got blue eyes.
Right.
It's or red hair.
Yeah.
It's the same thing with the Chihuahua thing. Alright, and then this is the green one. This is the fan. Yeah. So people don't know that about the long hair Chihuahuas.
No, I didn't know. I had seen them when, I took my grandson down to Wareham to a consignment shop when he was 4. And they had 2 in there. But they were big ones.
They might have been Papillons. They look like the Papillons just got the big butterfly ears.
Yeah.
But they look just like the long hair Chihuahua.
Oh.
Yeah, usually they people confuse the 2.
So where did you ever get a...
Somebody give it to me.
Well, that was nice.
Yeah, it was kind of a unexpected thing.
Yeah.
Oh.
They're nice, so they're good company.
Yeah, they got, I'm kind of, she's part of my life. I'm kind of attached to the little shit.
Of course you are. You want to bring it everywhere.
Yeah, I'm kind of very attached to the little girl, so.
She's beautiful.
Electric and oil, and I should do it. Yeah, she barks when I go in the truck. I gotta pet her.
Oh.
Then it's like her little, then she's okay. Other than that,
Isn't that funny though? She knows how to get your attention.
she bark like she keep barking. All right, so we're gonna put on heat.
Yeah, good, because I'm...
Heat, off, and cooling. So if you put it on off, nothing's gonna work.
Right.
And the fan, you want to put the fan on automatic. You got a boiler or a furnace? Does it have radiators, or does it
No.
blow hot air? So you got a furnace. So heat's on. It's set for 70. Okay. Don't forget this was in a cold truck.
Right, so take a look.
So it's reading 61, but the heat's gonna come on.
Right.
But this is gonna come to where So if you want to see, right now it's 62 in here, but that's gonna come up because this was in a cold truck.
Right.
But it's set for 70 set, heat on. So we can go check the boiler, make sure that's working for you. And this is much more user-friendly for you. You don't have to worry about, the thing, programming it and all that stuff. This is a much better unit.
Yeah.
That other one was probably acting up, giving you problems.
Well,
But you have to change the batteries in this every so often, every couple of years.
This one too.
Every couple of years.
Because I just changed, I don't know when, not that long ago, but I can get rid of this.
Thing's just junk.
Yeah.
It's time for the trash barrel.
It is.
Things don't last forever,
Not anymore.
We'll make sure it's working down cellar, make sure that's all good for you.
You put 2 pieces in.
Huh?
You put 2 pieces.
I can hear it running.
Yeah, I hear it.
Where's your trash?
I'll take it.
We'll just throw all this out. I mean, you don't need the instructions. It's pretty basic.
Yeah, you told me what to do.
Yeah.
Door to the cellar.
I hear the dog.
Yeah. No,
Where's the door for the cellar?
Right here.
Oh, okay. Don't seem to be barking at me.
I know. Well, she was loose, she might.
She might be. We don't want her biting me.
Oh, she won't bite. Like, yep, that's it.
She don't bite.
Well, she never has. But my Shih Tzu bit me a couple of times. Left.
Have to be careful because
Yeah,
the other way.
that way.
Do you change the filter?
Yes, I did about a month ago.
Okay, so you got a new system here. It's running. You do change the air filter, right?
I changed it twice a year.
Okay, you can tell it's getting warm.
I got a...
That's perfect.
Oh, see, that's right.
Alright, as long as it's working.
Oh, thank God.
Missed that. New system.
Yeah, before my husband passed,
Yeah, it's good that you stay up on the front, the air filters.
Yeah, see, I got a whole bunch here.
Okay, yeah, every 6 months is a good program. When you
Yeah.
take them out, are they really dirty? The air filters are not really.
Yeah.
They're pretty dirty.
That's
So maybe you
because of
should
the
do it.
dogs.
Maybe you should do it every 4 months if they're really dirty. The
getting
filters.
Yeah.
Do it a little earlier. I mean, you can put it on your calendar every 4 months, right?
Right.
Every 4 months, throw it out. They're cheap enough and slide a new one in there. Well, now what kind are you getting?
I don't know, my friend orders it for me.
Yeah.
Before she moved to Indiana.
Oh yeah, them are okay. Yeah, that's the kind you want to go with. Okay.
Yeah.
Nothing too fancy.
No.
Cause
That's what
it's gotta be able to breathe. It's like having COVID, right? If you got 4 masks on, you can't breathe.
Right.
It's the same thing with the air filter. You got just one mask. So a regular basic filter will catch all the dust,
Yeah.
and it'll
They
work.
used to be really bad, but then when I started the choice here, they're not like they were. But they're still dirty.
Yeah. So
I like
every
to
4
change.
months, 4, 8, 12. So 3
Okay.
times a year instead of twice. Yeah, I think that'd be a better program for
Yeah,
you.
that's good.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let me get you a slip. Very simple, easy in and out. That's what I told you on the phone. It was gonna. Just put something basic in there, something simple, nothing that you gotta program and all that.
Right.
Nothing but problems. I mean, if you're gonna go out and you want to turn the heat down, just turn it down,
Oh, yeah.
right? Any rocket science.
No, I like this one.
Miss Molly's gonna want me to pet her when I go in there. Watch. Miss Molly, what are you doing, Miss Molly? What are you doing? Oh, well, you want me to pet you? You want me to pet you? Yeah, I know you. You missed me. You missed me 5 minutes. You missed me. Let me get a slip. What? Oh, yeah, you need attention here. You're high maintenance, Miss Molly. High maintenance. High maintenance. Molly. All right, let me give her a slip. I gotta get paid here. I gotta get paid, Molly. What, man, Miss Molly? You crazy nut, you. It's high maintenance. She's high maintenance.